Welcome the our channel. Today we how to manage client retention with ReferralCandy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage client retention with ReferralCandy, start by signing up for a ReferralCandy account. Once registered, log into your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and navigate to the campaign section. Create a new referral program by clicking on the Create Campaign button. Choose your campaign type, ideally one that suits your business goals. Set up your rewards strategy, decide how much you want to offer both the referrer and the referred customer. Customize your referral program's branding to align with your business image. Craft a compelling referral message that clearly communicates the benefits of participating. Utilize the available templates to streamline the design process. Integrate ReferralCandy with your existing e-commerce platform, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Configure tracking settings to monitor referral traffic and conversions effectively. Test the referral system to ensure it works seamlessly from both the referrers and referred customers' perspectives. Promote your referral program through various channels like email newsletters and social media. Encourage your existing customers to participate by communicating the program's benefits clearly. Monitor the performance of your referral campaigns regularly to identify trends and areas for improvement. Gather feedback from participants to enhance the user experience continuously. Adjust your rewards or messaging based on performance metrics to keep the program enticing. Leverage analytics provided by ReferralCandy to measure overall customer retention rates. Stay engaged with your customer base, checking in periodically to keep your brand top of mind. Revisit your referral program settings quarterly to adapt to changing customer needs and market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.